According to the Ministry of Health's report, 40% of Moroccans, which is nearly 13 million people, have experienced either depression, anxiety, or other psychological illnesses. The real problem here is the amount of undiagnosed cases due to the fact that mental health services are not affordable to most citizens, and visiting a psychologist is equivalent to being abnormal in our culture. Our app's goal is to introduce people to the world of psychological treatment and familiarize the act of visiting a psychologist. Kalimni app takes you to an individual therapy session with our virtual psychologist Kalimni bot. You'll be free to express your feelings and talk about all your life struggles. Our app is based on a general architecture divided on three sub-architectures. The first one is the Google Cloud Apps app that we'll be using because the chatbot messaging feature requires using real-time messaging. An app user creates and sends audio messages to a topic. Subscriber 2 creates a subscription to our topic to receive messages from it. Subscriber 1 receives the audio coded in base64 and transmit it to the NLP model using a cloud trigger. Then we'll extract the emotions from every user's voice, using an open source model that takes an audio format as an input and predicts 5 different emotions for each gender dependent on the frequency of their voice. That way, we will be able to communicate with every user no matter what languages they're using. Then the model returns JSON answers to the topic that will be sent back to the user. Calendly greets its users with a calming light blue color, promoting the feeling of tranquility and trustworthiness. After a simple registration, Calendly bot invites the user to make his first voice record. This one would go through an in-depth sentiment and frequency analysis to figure out the current emotional status of our user. Then we offer him advices that corresponds perfectly to his mood, complemented by an image to catch his attention. Users have also access to a large supportive community when they can provide help and motivation to each other by sharing their journey on how they successfully go through a psychological problem.